It's a funny thing, you know, but there are millions upon millions of Gmail users, and occasionally they will send a message that they wish they had not sent. This screen will show you two good examples. Whether or not you're the sender, it doesn't really matter. It's a matter of what you've sent that you wish to retrieve. And you have 30 seconds in which to do so on Gmail. How do you set that cancellation period? Well, first of all, you need to click on this button, which is the settings button. When you click on the settings button and scroll down a little bit, you'll see undo send, and you have up to 30 seconds in which to retrieve that email. No more. Only up to 30 seconds. Other email programs might give you a little bit longer. For example, Outlook gives you quite some time, but Gmail doesn't. So remember that the 30-second limit cannot be changed, and it can save you one hell of a lot of embarrassment if you're aware of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you wish, and comments would be very, very handy. Thank you for watching.